YouTube, it's me, Coach Lego, and Jacob, and today we're gonna be reviewing the Lego Creator Set 3-in-1. It's the underwater robot, 207 pieces, ages 7 up, 31090, and let's start building it. So let's open it up, right, Jacob?
Yeah.
So right here is a punch tab, which we have to punch through. Yeah, that's very hard to open, so we'll just open it from here. Okay?
Okay.
And yeah, it's much more easier, and it doesn't break the box because punch tab breaks the box. So yeah, we did that, so the punch tab won't break the box. But now let's start building it.
Yep.
So there, right there, that is a rock, and I'm pretty sure that's a gasoline. That's a seaweed, I'm pretty sure. That's the robot. If you like watching this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys in the next time. Goodbye!